sabi ni Direk kanina, even sa parang liblib na lugar or sa remote places, na narinig niya yung kung paano yung reception ng tao sa inyo. And of course, not just here in the Philippines but also abroad, you are building a fan base. And how does it feel that there are people of different ages resonate with you, with your talent, and with your love team? Okay, Ashley naman.
Ako sobrang super grateful po ako kasi iba yun nga po, tulad po na sabi niyo kanina, iba-ibang edad yung mga sumusuporta po sa amin. And sobrang hindi ako makapaniwala na minsan mga bata yung lalapit sa amin, minsan teenagers, tapos minsan yung mga magaganda ng mga ganitong tito, tita, ayan. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa po kasi minsan iniisip ko, bakit kaya nila kami minamahal ng ganito, na bakit kaya nila kami tanggap ng buong-buo. And sobrang nakakatuwa lang po talaga isipin na parang ang dami ko biglang mommies. Kasi kahit mga big or small wins ko po talaga, sabi ni Andres, nandun po sila and sobrang happy nila. And ang pinaka nakakatuwa po doon, pag mga nababasa ko, pinagpe-pray po nila kami. Parang yun yung sobrang na-touch ako doon na pinagpe-pray talaga nila kami. Kaya thank you po.
Yes, yun nga. The support talaga, it's been unreal. Di namin in-expect ko talaga. Kahit from the start, di namin in-expect talaga. And to everyone that has supported us of all ages, it's eye-opening din kasi parang na-realize ko na, oh, okay, like different age groups appreciate us and enjoy us and are fans of us. And kahit yung mga edits na nakikita ko and yung mga comments, the few comments that I've seen and read, it really nakakatuwa talaga because I would have never expected that it would get to this point really. And I'm just really overall thankful for all of them.
And also, it's so nice that you really appreciate each other as on-screen partner. I'd like to ask lang, I'd just like to piggyback on the title of the film. Isang Daang Bulaklak para kay Luna. Andres, if you were to give kind of flower to Ashley, what kind of flower is it and why?
Bigyan mo lang kanina.
I think I said it before, but I would give Ash, like I just gave her kanina, white rose talaga. Because for me, I think a white rose is the most beautiful flower talaga. It symbolizes...
Ito yun, Andres.
Ito yun.
Pwede kayo siya.
Talaga ni Andres ito kay Ashley na hindi siya part ng props. So, 100 ba ito?
Direk, wala sa script yun eh.
100? Hindi 100. Pero, yeah. I would say white rose talaga. Kasi for me, a white rose has so much more meaning to it than just like, halimbawa, a red rose, it symbolizes like love and all. But I think the nice thing about a white rose is it's deeper than love. It also shows like purity and all. So I would say white rose.
Sorry, hindi mo lang ako natanggap. 100 daw yan, sabi ng Baby Phones family natin. Yeah, Andres made sure.
Tapos Destiny pa kasi white rose papaya.
Kaya...
White rose papaya.
Thank you.